In a landmark step towards transparent and citizen-centric governance, Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma on Saturday evening launched the Saugata Sarita portal at Lok Sewa Bhavan, Dispur. Designed to streamline mutual transfers within the State Education Department, the portal facilitates a completely digital, corruption-free process. Announcing the launch, Dr. Sarma revealed that over 9,000 government employees have already been transferred using the portal, quote, with just a click without paying any single paisa or knocking on anyone's door, unquote. The portal will remain open to the applications until September with an additional transfer window scheduled for November. In addition of Saugata Sarita, the Chief Minister also introduced the Jiban Anuparanana scheme to support research scholars across the state, underlining his government's commitment to educational and administrative reforms. He emphasized that the new portal makes the transfer process simpler, faster and completely transparent, eliminating the role of middleman and promoting merit-based service delivery. The government is also planning a ceremonial distribution of the mutual transfer orders to grade 3 to grade 4 employees under this initiative in the coming days.
আমি দুটা গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ কল্যাণকামী আঁচনিৰ শুভাৰম্ভ কৰিছোঁ। ইতিমধ্যে ৰাজ্যৰ মুখ্য সচিব শ্ৰী ৰবি কোটা ডাঙৰীয়াই স্বাগত সতীৰ্থ পোৰ্টেল আৰু মিউচুৱেল ট্ৰান্সফাৰৰ বিষয়ে আপোনালোকক সদৰি কৰিছে। আমি কৰ্মচাৰীসকলৰ যি কাম কৰাৰ মানসিকতা বা তেওঁলোকে দায়িত্ব পালন কৰিবলৈ যাওঁতে যিখিনি মানসিক সন্তুষ্টিৰ প্ৰয়োজন হয় সেইখিনি নিৰন্তৰভাৱে প্ৰদান কৰিবলৈ আমাৰ চৰকাৰখনে দেশত নথকা বা কৰ্মচাৰীসকলৰ বাবে অচিনাকি কেইবাটাও আঁচনি ৰূপায়ণ কৰিছে।